Here at the Bohemian Hunting Club, we're going to do a side-by-side demonstration on using the rope and not using the rope when cocking a crossbow, just to visually show the difference in speed if you're ever wondering about trying to get that second shot off out in the woods. This video is brought to you by Smoky Oak. Smoky Oak, makers of fine products.
Now and then it keeps you running, never seems to die. Trails spent with fear, not enough, living on the outside. Never seem to get far enough, staying in between the lines. Hold on to what you can, waiting for the end, not knowing when. May the wind take your troubles away. May the wind take your troubles away. Both feet on the floor, two hands on the wheel. May the wind take your troubles away. Next time zone, few and far between, past the midnight hour. You never feel alone, you're really not alone. Switching it over to AM, searching for a truer sound, can't recall the call letters, steel guitar and settle down. Catching an all-night station somewhere in Louisiana. It sounds like 1963, but for now it sounds like heaven. May the wind take your troubles away. May the wind take your troubles away.